welcome to my channel. It's your girl Georgette again with another one. Yes, come and join your girl. Thank you for stopping in and watching. So guys, all of you that are new to me, my name is Georgette and I'm all about inspiring you guys, man. You know, I share my life experience with you guys, and I just want to inspire and motivate you. And in doing so, you may change and be transformed like I have done. Yes, I have been totally transformed. And so today I'm talking about how to be in control of your emotions. Have you heard about emotional intelligence? Yes, and all that is, guys, is being in control of your state at the present moment, all day long, every day, monitoring how you are feeling. That is very important in manifesting, in creating your world, how you are feeling, how to be in control of your emotions. Emotional intelligence, controlling how you're feeling all day long. You know, there's some people that are very, very reactive to everything that occurs around them. Yes. You say something, you call them out their names, and oh my gosh, heaven came down. But when you've learned how to be in control of your emotions, then you're not so reactive to everything. You are more proactive. You take a step back from the conversation, the argument, the situation. You take a look at it a second time before you respond, not react. Respond. You know, someone calls you out your name. Sometimes it doesn't even you don't need to respond. Why would I respond if you call me out of my names? You know, some guys or gals, you call them out their name and they would just go off. You call their mama name, oh my gosh. And when you understand how to be in control of your emotions, situations don't get you down. External forces cannot govern your inner state. The news cannot dictate how you should feel. You know, some people sit in front of the television, and by the time they get up the next hour, the news and everything that transpired, they're like, oh my gosh, I feel so down right now. I was just watching the news, Georgette, and oh my gosh, all I saw was shooting or killing or how many people die But you have control over that. You choose to sit in front of the television and to watch that particular program. That's a choice. And that's what I'm sharing with you, my friends. That's what I'm sharing with you. Oh, look at the beautiful flower. Where did that come from? It just fell right at my feet. Beautiful. Oh, it just fell right at my feet. But the plant is all the way over there. The universe doesn't make any mistakes. There's no coincidence, you know. There's none. And so, when you understand that you are in control of your emotions, there is a saying, as within, so without. Not as without, so within, but so often you allow external forces to govern how you feel. But that's not the way it should work. It is as within, so without. So when you become more in control of how you should feel, no one dictates how you should feel. The news should not dictate how you feel. I know that every day, I promise you guys, I am happy, I am laughing, I am jovial, I make a choice every day. Yes, things happen. People die. You have family members that die. You have family members that are ill. People go through divorces. People come down with illnesses. But last night I had a moment where I'm doing so many things and desiring a lot of things to come together within a certain time, not putting pressure on myself because I'm not hard on myself anymore. I learned to nurture myself, walk in nature, I exercise every day, make sure I am feeling good. That's a conscious decision that I have made every day. But we have a moment, and I learned this word. So last night I sat down by my window, turned the lights off, and I just had a moment, and I literally put my timer on that I would not stay in that state for more than half hour. And my mentor taught me this, the refractory period, and that you shorten the time that you stay in, whether it's sadness, whether it's in mourning, whatever state it is. If it's not a happy state, you want to shorten that. And that's called the refractory period. So, guys, always know that you are in control, but that comes with developing the skill, learning how to be proactive and not reactive, learning how not to react, but how to respond to a situation, an argument, or whatever it is. That skill has to be developed day after day with repetition. You will learn how to be much more calmer, how to respond to someone who call you out of your name or not to respond, or respond to a loved one. They may say something and you may just choose to respond lovingly, because as within, so without. You create your worlds, guys. I promise you, from the inside out. Don't allow external forces or events to dictate how you feel. As within, so without. So, guys, I thank you for stopping in and watching and spending time with your girl. Yes. So I'm leaving you a free gift. It's in the link below. And I'm leaving you my step-by-step guide of how I practice this emotional intelligence, how I practice being proactive, how I practice to respond and not to react. I'm going to leave the link for that, and it's below. Check that out. It's my absolute guide. Check it out, guys. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, come on now. Smash that subscribe and like. Leave a comment below. Are you going to now be proactive and not reactive? So drop me a comment below. Leave those thumbs up. Come on, YouTube algorithm loves to see interaction. Drop a comment. Put your notifications on, guys, because I bring you a video every other day. And so, guys, thank you for stopping again. It's your girl, Georgette. I send you so much love and light. Bye-bye. Mwah.